Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. As per us lecture 6th of Quadratic Equations class 10th maths. As you topic is on nature of roots. Means you must roots near quadratic equations to the nature kyuth cha asan. Ashe pata is quadratic equation cha asan the general form cha asan ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Cha asan highest power 2. That is now chana degree. Means highest power that is degree. Cha asan 2. Locus degree is equal to 2. You that degree cha asan kuni equations to touch the near roots. Tita shi near roots. Cha is degree 2 isliye near 2 roots. Yim tim roots asan tim roots tim nature kyuth as means tim asna different tim asna equal tim asna real numbers kin asan real numbers so depend karan ek चीज पर tat चीज is na wanan discriminant तो ये कहता है discriminant so ये तो समझ आशु पर मस एम्ब्रो formula that formula is known as quadratic formula so cha asan x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You see root as mentioned b square minus 4ac h now is discriminant. b square minus 4ac as now one discriminant which denote karna is d side in the h is value karan you said value is near on तो इस पर depend karan nature of roots. When you see value at near on so value है क्या है greater than 0 थी so है less than 0 थी so is equal to 0 to 3 case is uses value kado uses number as near value near so value as so number as greater than 0 not as less than 0 not as equal to 0 agar emic value that is b square minus 4ac value yes is one now discriminant agar emic value draw greater than 0 till cha asan two distinct real roots matlab go distinct matlab go alag alag different roots real matlab go real numbers asan tim go real number near na tim asan different agar also make value less than 0 till near no real roots tim chen real numbers asan tele kihinte tim chen no as kadin den kihinte ke actually chapters mas god chapter so that is real numbers as actually par pure maths mas as 10th is maths mas only real numbers when agar make b square minus 4ac value draw equal to 0 till cha asan two equal real roots tim chen near as real numbers tim cha asan same real numbers tab lekho is quadratic equation has acha asan tilwa two distinct real roots alag alag the real numbers cha asan two real roots कार आसान if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 is it's 1 तम पत दोयम आसान 2 equal roots 1 में आसान b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 so go it अगर b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 then there is 2 equal roots same roots तम पत अगर ऐसे b square minus 4ac is less than 0 that's no real roots तेले आसान तिम real numbers tim asan complex numbers imaginary numbers tim chen pewa as kadin tan kihinte am khatir demo example agz tahiyot samajh asni a quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 ye ch ek value x square se is asan that is called a is 2 b value that is x search as a coefficient that is now is minus 4 c is 3 go a value is 2 b value is minus 4 c value is 3 one kado is b square minus 4ac is kado value b square minus 4ac b square that is minus 4 square b square of h minus 4 a balance 2 and to c balance 3 minus 4 square so go 16 h is minus 4 2 r go 8 into 3 that is 24 16 minus 24 so go minus 8 this minus 8 shows pi as go less than 0 less than 0 tell us no real roots back example the most x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0 yet me shows a that is just x square search as a coefficient tachna wana a section kh that is 1 b is minus 7 c is minus 60 one kado b square minus 4ac that is discriminant as kado value b square b is minus 7 that is minus 7 square pad go minus 4 a balance is 1 c balance minus 60 minus 7 square that is 49 minus into minus that is plus 4 into 60 that is 4 6 are 24 that is 240 4 1 are 4, 4 into 60 that is 240. One karo se man don add 49 plus 240 that is 289. Draw as b square minus 4ac equal to 289. 289 to greater than 0 इसलिए आसान two distinct roots, two distinct and real roots. Go one man is still आसान त्रे केस आसान नेचरस मच आसान त्रे केस आसे अख आसान गोडनुक that is two distinct real roots z अलग अलग तो बे real roots real numbers आसान तम सातन यम सातन b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. दोयम केस अगर ये was b square minus 4ac equal to 0 तेल छनेरा two equal real roots अख तम equal आसान बे तम real ते आसान. त्रेम केस आसान अगर b square minus 4ac is less than 0 तेल छनेरा no real roots real numbers तेल नेरा के. One पर is question number 1 of exercise 4.3. Question number 1 chess find the nature of roots of the following quadratic equations. Actually bon ki quadratic equations dit yevan chess kadun nature of roots. Nature of roots chess pormut embrohi poraisi ki nature of roots is kadun b square minus 4ac so that is now an discriminant. If real roots exist, find them. Agar pata real roots tai draw real roots tele kadi satyam. Agar ne real roots is tel china istem kadin kinte. What is part first kya choice? Part first choice 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. It shows as catch value x square so this coefficient is that's now a is 2, b is x so that is that's now b is minus 3, c is constant term that is 5. One yam says nanan chu ki nature of root is kya so go b square minus 4 is in kado is value b square that is b h value minus 3 go minus 3 square then pach minus pach 4 pach into a that is 2 into c that is 5 minus 3 square that is 9 pach is minus 4 2 are 8 8 into 5 that is 40 9 minus 40 that is equal to minus 31. You see value draw as b square minus 4ac you draw minus 31 which is less than 0. In less than 0 show asan tel change asan no real roots. Since b square minus 4ac is less than 0 so it has no real roots. Go yat equation chana is real roots kihinte tim chana is kadin tane kihinte kya ash ore wanan if real roots exist find them. One parotal doim part so says 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. A की value शायद 3 b की value minus 4 root 3 c की value शायद 4. One करो is b square minus 4ac b square so go minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 whole square minus them pach minus look minus in pach 4 pach into a की value शायद 3 into c की value 4 one shape is minus 4 root 3 whole square. You should 4 minus 4 as the square. You should root 3 as the square. Tell lekho alag alag. Minus 4 square into just root 3 square. Then pato says minus look minus 4 3 are 12. 12 into 4 go 48. Yes, draw us the value draw is 48. Square to square root gets cancel. At bacha is minus 4 square that is 16. Into just at bacha is 3 minus was 48. 16 into 3 that is 48. 16 into 3 go 48 because minus 48 is equal to 0. Go as draw it was b square minus 4ac value draw is 0. Yem sat imik value sha asan 0 ashwaran 2 equal real roots tira asan. Go at asan 2 equal roots. Since b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 so it has 2 equal real roots. At nearness real roots magar timasan equal. Go in is roots kada हुआ impact roots and nearness अगुई value जो value nearness की क्या so I say one करो check at roots kadne khatra. Roots kadne khatra से quadratic formula का use करें that is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. One the most value at x is equal to minus and b h value minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 then plus minus root of b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac touch as value could b square minus 4ac is value 0 root of 0 divided by 2a 2 and a by the choice value that is 3 2a that is 2 into a that is 2 into 3 x is equal to minus into minus plus आज बचा हुआ 4 root 3 minus into minus go plus लिखा है plus लिखा है फ्रंट साइज गोडनेथ आइस तेल लिखा plus केंति सो गो पाने अच्छा plus sign गो temperature plus minus root of 0 that is 0 divided by 2 into 3 that is 6 so go x is equal to 4 root 3 इथे पढ़ लिखोन plus minus 0 so go ने केंति शुन लिखने जरूरत केंति divided by 6 2 2 are go 4 2 3 are go 6 x is equal to 2 root 3 divided by 3 द्रास x is value 2 root 3 divided by 3 अच्छ में अगर पता है ये quadratic equation अच्छा highest power 2 इसलिए आसान 0 roots या चाहे 2 equal roots अच्छ गोड़े सुपर मत क्या है b square minus 4ac value द्रा equal to 0 तो ये आसान 2 equal real roots value द्रास अकु ये तस सूच आसान दो आइलेट means अगर आख root द्रास 2 root 3 divided by 3 ब्याह क्या है तिलवा 2 root 3 divided by 3 equal roots आसान third part है आसान 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 अथ कड़ी तो गॉट नेचर b square minus 4ac सतन तो पता करता है तो रियल रूट्स तिम रियल रूट्स ते कड़िन with the help of quadratic formula तो यूज करन minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a यम ता रूट्स नियरनो तिम ले जते कमेंटर मास ता कम रूट्स द्रो आथ